Okay, hello everyone. Let's solve this question. If A vector is equal to 5A row plus 2A phi minus AZ and B vector is A row cap minus 3A phi plus 4AZ, then we have to find A dot B. Okay, A dot B. So it's simple. A dot B and everything is given in cylindrical coordinates. So there is no need for any conversion. So just go for it. Dot A row cap minus 3 A phi cap plus 4 A Z cap. Multiply, this is 5, this is 6, this is minus 4. Okay, just A row dot A row, others all will become 0. Okay, then minus 10 plus 5, this is minus 5. Okay, so I got it. A dot B, I got it. Next bit says I have to take out the cross product. Okay, over here also cross product is simple because everything is given in cylindrical coordinates and there is no need to do anything else. 5, 2, minus 1, this is 1, minus 3, this is 4. Okay, and so what is it I'm getting? This one will be 8 minus 3, then this one is if you multiply it's 20 minus of minus 1, so then AZ cap, it's what, minus 15 minus 2. Okay, correct. 5 A row cap minus 21 A phi cap minus 17. Okay, minus 17. Now this is what, A Z cap. Alright, so this is the cross product that I'm getting. Okay, then what is the next bit saying? Well, the next bit says take out the angle between A and B. Okay, how do we take out the angle between A and B? Well, it's simple. Suppose theta is the angle between them. Okay, suppose cos theta is the angle between them, then I can take it out like this: A dot B by A B. This is simple 11 standard maths. And A dot B I just took out, it was minus 5. Okay, minus 5. And what is A mod? A mod will be root over of 5 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. Okay, and what is B mod? It's 1 square, this is minus 3 square, this one is 4 square. Okay, so put it, then how much you are getting? This is 25 for 29, this one is root 30, this one is root 26. Okay, so use your calculators. What is it that you're getting? How much angle you're getting? Well, this is 100.31 degrees. Okay, because the line in the second quadrant, it's negative. Na? Okay, then next, D, what is the next bit saying? Let's see. It says the unit normal vector normal to the plane containing both A and B. Okay, it's normal to both A and B. So if the vector is normal to both A and B, so I can say I can take out the cross product, because cross product will give me the vector that's perpendicular to both A and B. So I can say it's it'll be correct. Okay, let's go for it. This one will be D bit is A cross B, and then it says a unit vector, so I'll just divide it with the mod of A cross B. So I have already taken out A cross B. Over here, this one, so it's 5 A row cap, 5 A row cap, then minus 2, then it's minus, one sec, yeah, not here, this is minus, where did it go? Yeah, this one, it is minus, this one is 21. Okay, then this is minus 21 A phi cap, minus 21 A phi cap. Okay, then this one is minus 17 A Z cap. Okay, the next divided by the root over, like 5 square, 21 square plus 17 square. Okay, then you'll solve it, divide it, take out your calculators, do with me. So what is it that you're getting? 5 divided by this thing. So if you use your calculators, you'll get something 0.182 A row cap. Then this one is 0.7643 A phi cap. then this one will be minus 0.6187 a z cap. Okay, then what does the next bit says? Next bit says the vector projection of a onto b. Okay, vector projection of a onto b. Okay, we had done like that question earlier. So what is the vector projection of a onto b? So this is how you take out, Hannah. This one we had discussed in the previous video. Okay, so over here b cap is referring that the direction of the vector is along the vector b, same direction. Okay, and this one will give me the magnitude of that vector. Okay, that is the component of a along b. Okay, so what is a dot b? Okay, this is a dot b by b mod. I can write it like this, and this one is also b by b mod. So I have already actually taken out a dot b in the first bit, so I did not take it out again. Okay, this one I can square it, and over here I'll do something like this. Okay, so this will simplify my thing. Then a dot b, I got it minus 5. Okay, that is there. Then what is b mod? B mod is root over of what is b? Let's check out. Okay, b is 1, this one will be 1, this is minus 3, this is 4. Okay, so this is 9, this is 16, it's 25, 1, 26. Okay, root 26. Root 26 is b mod. Okay, so root 26 is b mod. Then this whole square, take it, then into b vector. B vector is a rho cap minus 3 a phi cap plus 4 a z cap. All right, so just put it in your calculator. 26, this is a rho cap minus 3 a phi cap plus 4 a z cap. All right, then if you put it in your calculators, then you'll see you're getting 0.1923 a rho cap. Then this one will be plus 0.5769 a phi cap. Then the last term will be minus 0.7692 a z cap. Okay, this is the answer that you'll be getting. Do check it out and tell me whether you're getting these answers or there is some variation or something. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.